Well, hey guys, I am pan frying chicken tonight. Yep, pan frying chicken. This first batch is just about done. And I'm doing it different from I've ever done it before. My daughter cooked some. She's telling me about the way she done it. And I thought it was unique. I would try it because I'm cooking it in this. This is my batter. You might think, hey Rick, what is that? Well, I'm glad you asked. That is crumbled up, barbecued hot and spicy pork rinds. Only $2 a bag. According to that, it was cheaper than that. I don't remember what it was. Churronis. So that is what I'm using for batter. And obviously, egg right here. And a bacon rack to lay it on when I get done. It's just about ready to. And I'll put the next batch in. In fact, I'm sure this chicken's done. It's been way over 10 minutes on both sides. Way over 10 minutes. But just to be safe. Let's see. Climbing. Ow, that's hot. Oh yeah, that's over 160. That one's there too, so they're done. I knew it was there. It's been a while. I've cooked it way over 10 minutes on both sides. But I wanted to be sure. Oh yeah. Since this one's a little thicker, I'll let it go a little bit more just to make sure. I can't wait to try this barbecued pork rind. And to really make it good, you can soak it in buttermilk overnight. That really gives it an added flavor. That's the way Grandma used to do it. Wow, that is tender right there. I guarantee you that's way yummy. Temperature was up there. That's close enough. Now, see if I can get my last pieces in here. For some reason it's not sticking really good like normal batter, but it ought to give it plenty of flavor. I probably should have mixed some flour with it. I don't know. I've never tried it. This first time. Brand new to me. Ooh-wee. Hot grease, hot grease. I'm cooking this in. That's my darn microwave a beeping. Because I have some of my homegrown green beans in there. Homegrown green beans. So I'm going to have fried chicken Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hot, hot, hot. And some of my homegrown green beans picked out of the garden last year. They were canned. I just opened a can of them. Ouch. I think they might actually need to cook a little more. I'm sure they will by the time I eat. But that's what I'm doing here. Frying chicken. Pan frying chicken. If you're wondering what I seasoned this with, I used my trusty old Cavenders. You guys have seen this in my videos ever since the first cooking one, I'm sure. I use it on almost everything. Chicken, beef, almost anything. Cavender's seasoning. A little bit of garlic salt. And salt and pepper. Fresh ground salt and pepper. Also, I'm cooking it in Crisco, all vegetable shortening. I think that gives it a taste that is out of this world. Or at least it helps. Alright, it's all fried up. All fried up. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to bake it in the oven for about 20 more minutes to make sure it's all done really well on the inside. I actually saw that in a YouTube video, believe it or not, by a professional chef that was frying chicken southern style. So I'm going to try it too, just to be sure. The temperature showed that it was done, but some of the liquid there is not running clear yet. That's an indication that it's done when the liquid's clear. So I'm going to bake it in the oven here for 20 more minutes on 400 degrees. And right there is what the finished product looks like. Chicken cooked, good and hot. Green beans out of the garden, garlic bread. And now for the final test. Let's see how it tastes like. Mmm. Oh, that chicken is tender, juicy. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. Really good. That's a unique taste. It's not hot, but you can taste the seasoning stuff in it. You really can. It's really good. Can I help you, sir? It's got a good taste. I want to thank my daughter Teresa for this recipe. It's really good, guys. So I'm going to eat dinner tonight. Appreciate you watching the video. Be sure and give us a thumbs up. How do you cook your fried chicken? If you cook fried chicken, let me know in the comments below. Until we meet again, have a good day.